Hey there, business owners and nonprofit leaders. Welcome back to our Cybersecurity Awareness Month educational series. I'm Randall Martinez, Vice President of Technical Services for IT Pros Management Group, and today we're diving into the world of phishing prevention. Phishing attacks are one of the most common and dangerous cyber threats out there. In fact, did you know that 91% of all cyber attacks start with a phishing email? And here's another eye-opener. 30% of phishing emails are opened by targeted users. And get this, phishing attacks have increased by 65% in the last year alone. It's a growing threat, but don't worry, we're here to help you spot and stop these attacks. As a U.S. Army veteran, I know the importance of vigilance and awareness. In the military, we are constantly training to recognize and respond to threats. The same principles apply to phishing prevention. Just like in the military, your business needs to be vigilant and prepared. Here are some tips to help you prevent phishing attacks. First, always verify the sender's email. Phishers often use email addresses that look similar to legitimate ones. Second, be cautious with links and attachments. If something looks suspicious, don't click on it. And third, educate your employees. Regular training can help them recognize and avoid phishing attempts. No matter the size of your industry or your business, implementing these simple steps can make a big difference. And guess what? We're offering a complimentary cybersecurity strategy session to help you get started. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link below to schedule your session with me. And let's make your business phishing proof. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks throughout Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Together we can help make your business safer and more secure. And remember, with IT Pros Management, you can relax. IT is covered.